everyone has their own sad story, and it is mine. When I was in elementary school, I once asked my teacher in math class, Mom, I still don't understand. What is 5 plus 5? A split second later, all my friends laughed at me. During recess, they called me stupid, say I had a low IQ, and told me to go back to first grade. Which is, yeah, that's pretty painful for a third grader. Honorable judges, respected audiences, and everyone here today, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, praise be to Almighty God for His blessings. My name is Nadif Ganika Putra, as a participant of EFES 2025, and today I'm here to talk about something that defines who we are and shapes our future. The inner power of speaking, the path to prosperity. So, let's begin with one question. Do we actually consider speaking to be a necessity or a choice? Today, we live in an age full of noise. Yet unfortunately, our authentic voice are fading. Often we have brilliant ideas, critical insights, innovations. But at the same time, many of us choose to remain silent. So then, it brings us to the next serious issue, namely the crisis of silence. Anything can happen anywhere and anytime, making us become a silent addict. And notice that ironically, it all started with one fundamental thing, which is the loss of willingness to speak. Exactly, this indicates a lack of awareness among individuals about the importance of speaking. Considering this crisis of silence, there is one crucial thing to realize, that speaking is not just a skill, but the fundamental power that must be possessed by everyone. Why? Because in every aspect of life, whether education, career, leadership, or even self-expressions, the ability to speak effectively with courage and confidence is highly needed. Because through it, we can shape a better future for both ourselves and the circumstances around us. And that's what the essence of the inner power of speaking actually looks like in the first place. My dear audiences, by activating the power of speaking, we will be brave enough to contribute, enabling us to engage dialogue rather than merely consume and be overwhelmed by circumstances. The inner power of speaking helps us in discovering opportunities, the will of innovation, the assets of leadership, and ultimately in achieving real transformation for the better. And that's why the inner power of speaking is the most important part for achieving prosperity. Because prosperity can't occur solely through economic independence. Factors such as freedom of thought, freedom of expressions, and the courage to lead and connect also play a dominant role in achieving prosperity itself. Therefore, I believe that the inner power of speaking is the path to prosperity due to the following factors. First, inner strength speaks as a fundamental solution to the communication crisis in the modern era. Today, we live in a time when communication paradoxes are no longer unfamiliar. Echo chambers, where individuals only hear opinions they agree with, creating confirmation bias and hindering open dialogue. Fear of scrutiny makes people reluctant to voice controversial ideas, exacerbated by a rampant culture of silence, institutions, families, workplaces that suppresses the freedom of expressions. So, the inner power of speaking becomes an effective solution because it stems from real social problem with appropriate and objective handling. This is because the inner power of speaking is basically arises from courage, self-awareness, and self-confidence, which can be the key asset in closed echo chambers, providing an exclusive forum for addressing fear of scrutiny and eliminating silent culture. So, in economic terms, the inner power of speaking is probably a micro movement that has a micro impact on social progress. Therefore, it is obvious that the inner power of speaking is a form of cultural and psychological intervention that can't be delayed any longer. Second, acting as a vessel for the mental regeneration from the chain of social trauma. Unfortunately, many people who experience social trauma from speaking out are ostracized, judged, and subjected to that kind of treatment. So, the inner power of speaking becomes a healing process. When someone dares to voice their truth, whether about injustice, identity, or hope, the process of holistic recovery begins. In psychology and neurology, this happens because the inner power of speaking activates the prefrontal cortex, which is reducing the feeling of isolation and It is obvious that inner public speaking has a direct impact on improving well-being, which is the foundation of productivity and prosperity itself. Third, the inner power of speaking as a pillar of democratic participation and a pioneer of national change. In many systems of government, even democratic ones, there is often a gap between the voice of the people and the decisions of those in power. This is not without reason. Corruption, abuse of authority, and policies that harm common people are often tolerated due to fear arising from political pressure, silence of culture, and criticism and aspirations that are often considered hostile. The inner power of speaking leads to social progress for both ourselves and the nation, encouraging citizens to dare to voice their criticism and aspirations in a positive manner. This can take the form of public discussion, peaceful demonstration, or even simple educational posts such as Instagram story or even TikTok videos. So, at the end of the day, there will be no more blind obedience. Everything will be based on aspirations towards prosperity for the nation itself. Fourth, authentically communication as a catalyst for economic and personal success. Prosperity does not only depend on financial or technical capital. Factors such as social capital and communication are also can't be ignored. Individuals who are able to convey their ideas inner strength, with inner strength authentically, emphatically, and visionarily will find it easier to gain trust, to create collaborations, and implement programs. So, in business, politics, or innovations, this communication is a guarantee of influence. Concrete example, business people who can actually present their vision with inner strength will find it easier to attract investors. Also, activists or innovators who can actually speak with clarity and integrity will build movements and agreements, not just opinions. So, in this competitive world, this power is no longer an advantage, but a necessity for achieving our own prosperity. My dear audiences, therefore, at the end of the day, the essence of the public speaking is basically to speak boldly and confidently, which is not just about saying words, but also about spreading change personally, socially, and nationally. This breaks the chain of the social problem, which is the curse in the quest of silence. Beyond that, it heals social wounds, drives democracy, and propels success towards our own prosperity. Therefore, let's take our first step by speaking out and expressing ourselves, starting with the smallest spaces such as classroom, community, or even your Instagram story. Because remember, prosperity begins when we dare to be heard. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.